Alright boys, I'm coming at you with the broccoli, mashed potato, and chicken meal prep for the week. Let's get into it. First, we're pulling up to Aldi, coming to dominate the discount dealer. Look at all these groceries. We are completely loaded up for the week. Bringing them in, setting them on the counter. Got all the ingredients set out and heating up my last week's meal prep, which was chicken, broccoli, rice, and peas, and then also making next week's meal prep. First, I'm weighing out 4,500 grams of potatoes, which is just a boatload. I'll be using my potato dicer I got for Christmas to cut up the 4 tons of potatoes that I have. Getting them sliced up, diced up. Let's go. Once I've got the potatoes cut in cubes, I'm bringing the water to the boil, and I'm putting about half of the potatoes in because they all can't fit in at once. So here's the other half potatoes that I still need to cut, and here's the water about to boil over. As I was going to mince my garlic, the water was about to boil over, so my first thought was to record it. Here I'm mincing 9 garlic cloves, and then next I'm going to scoop up 3 cups of cottage cheese, and then after that 84 grams of butter and about 3/4 cup of milk. Next I'm dicing up 5 pounds of chicken into cubes, and then I boiled the potatoes for about 20 minutes and drained it and put it back in the pot, and then I'm adding half of the cottage cheese, butter, minced garlic, milk, since I had to split it up in 2 batches. And then also going to mix salt and pepper to taste. And then after that, weighing it out into the bowl so I can divide into 10 meal preps for the week, and then adding the other half of potatoes to cook for another 20 minutes. Back to cutting up the chicken and just plain old salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. Back to draining the other half of the potatoes, and I'm just repeating the same steps as before, putting the milk, garlic, butter, all that jazz, and mixing it up and dishing it out and weighing it for the week. Chicken's looking like a freak bob, weighing it out. Weighing out all the broccoli. Now the most satisfying part is dividing all the potatoes, chicken, and broccoli into 10 equal portions. Each meal comes in at about 700 calories and 76 grams of protein. Putting it away, and I'll see you boys next week.